Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we are going to do an overview on our new Coastal brand heat press right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to do an overview on our new Coastal brand 9x12 heat press. So going over this, you do notice the fun colors. They are orange and blue, and it does pull out. It's also a clamshell, so you can just clamp it down. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go over a few settings to set the press up. So first we're going to set the temperature. So by setting the temperature, you are going to the OK button, which is the first one you see on your left. And then you go up or down. To set for seconds, you're going to hit OK again. And then you can go up or down as well, depending on what item you're pressing. And then after that, you're going to press the OK button again to go back to the main screen. So there is two numbers, one on top, one on bottom. The number on top that's in red is what the press is heating up to or what the press will get to. The number on the bottom is what the press that you have set. So right now we're doing 400 degrees, so that's what we've set our press at. So whatever you want to set your temperature at is what will be on the bottom. You also may notice that when you do receive your press, you may have received it in Celsius versus Fahrenheit. So to change that, we're going to press the OK button again and hold it for 5 seconds. It's going to go to your P settings. So the first screen you'll see is P1, and it has a C at the very top right hand side. So you're going to press the bottom arrow, and it's going to change, the top arrow, and it's going to change it to Fahrenheit. And then you can go through the rest of your P settings. So now that we've gone over the Celsius to Fahrenheit, you do have other P settings in your press that you can change. This is if you want to change your temperature. So if your press is either too low or too high, you can change that to a negative or a positive. You can always change the seconds, so it'll alert you sooner than your press needs to go off. So if it's at 45 seconds and normally the press starts at about 3 seconds to alert you, you can change that to 10 seconds or 20 seconds to give you an alert that it's almost ready. Okay, so now we are going to press an item for you today. So again, this is a 9x12 platen. So it does pull out, it goes back in. So we are going to use this as our workspace. First, I am going to cover with a silicone sheet. You can also use a Teflon sheet. We are going to be pressing a mouse pad. So line it up appropriately. And then we are going to cover with another silicone sheet. And then just push it all the way until it reaches its stopping point. And to adjust the pressure, it is counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten. We're going to press for 45 seconds at a medium pressure on this item. Okay, so it's going to alert you here in a second. That starts at 3 seconds. And then once it reaches 0, we will pull the lever up. And we do have our mouse pad that we have pressed. So that is an overview of our new Coastal brand 9x12 heat press. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.